What are you doing? Huh? What she got? She got a bone? You see birds? Where'd they go? Ooh! Come on, let's look at them. Do you love them? What do they say? Hey, act like you're gonna get them. Show Mama how you get them. How you sneak up on them. How do you sneak up on them? Show me how you sneak up on them. Kendra. How you sneak up on them? Ooh. Are we going to see them? Tell them, say tweet, tweet, tweet. Talk to them. That's a lot of birds, isn't it? What do they do? Show me how they fly. How do they fly? Yeah. They flap their wings. All gone? What'd they do?
Oh, come on.
All gone?
Okay. I'm check funny boy.
No, they flew away, huh? You found some more? Oh, what are they doing? Are they eating? Let's go find a squirrel. Want to find a squirrel? Go get that squirrel. What's he doing? Oh. What'd he do? What did he do? Did he run up the hill? What color of flower is that? What color is that? What color flower is that? Yellow. Yellow flowers. Who'd you pick that flower for? Yellow flowers. You gonna pick all the yellow flowers? Okay. Oh, how many you got? Let's count them.
1, 2.
How many others? Come here. How many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. You gonna pick all the yellow flowers? Okay. Now you got 5, huh?